In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TradingView on your PC. If you've been wanting to integrate TradingView into your desktop experience, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is up, go to the address bar right at the top of your screen and type in tradingview.com desktop. Hitting enter will take you directly to the TradingView desktop application page. On this page, you'll find various download options available for different operating systems. TradingView offers versions compatible with Windows, macOS, and even Linux. Make sure to select the download option that corresponds to your specific operating system. For example, if you're using a Windows PC, you'll want to click on the Windows download link. Now, clicking on your appropriate option will automatically start the download process. You might need to confirm a security check or choose a destination folder where you want the file to be saved. If you encounter a security pop-up, don't worry. Simply authorize the download, making sure to note where the file is being saved on your computer so you can access it easily later. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file has been saved. This is usually in the Downloads folder unless you've specified otherwise. Here, you should see the TradingView setup file. Double-click on this file to begin the installation process. At this point, your PC might prompt you for permission to allow changes. Approve these changes by selecting Yes or Run, which will let the installation proceed. After the installation begins, you'll be guided through a series of prompts on your screen. These prompts will help configure TradingView for your desktop. Most installations follow a standard procedure. Agree to the terms and conditions, choose the installation folder, typically the default location is perfectly acceptable, and then proceed to install. It might take a few minutes as the software sets up on your system, so feel free to sit back and relax while it finalizes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the TradingView application icon on your desktop or Start menu. Double-clicking this icon will launch the program. The first time you open TradingView, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account if you haven't already done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in, and soon you'll be all set to begin your trading journey using TradingView. That's it. Now you know how to download and install TradingView on your PC. We hope this guide was helpful and you're ready to explore the myriad of features that TradingView offers.